As of now, this is the finished product. So it's saying way more meaner now. I'm about to run to the barbershop right quick. I'm gonna get a haircut and I'm come back and open up packages. Just pulled up the pull apart, found my donor's car V6 Charger 06. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the whole front end.
Let me get up so you can
Got my mama with me. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Before I start this video on rebuilding my Charger from the crash, I want to give a very big shout out to Armando. He hooked me up with all the parts I need. If it wasn't for him, this build would not be possible. And that's just, he came through for real. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go through the old junk pile from the crash to see if I can reuse any of it. Like this thing right here I would need. I believe I need this too. Yeah, they go to the left, so this one goes somewhere over here. So I'm gonna need that. Take off my badge off of this fender. So yeah, go through everything and make sure you get whatever you can.
Kato Productions.
I'm gonna put a pause on this video until the lights I ordered come in, because this one's broken and I don't want to put the bumper on, then when they come in to take the bumper back off and do all that extra stuff. So I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna finish this up in about 2 weeks. So thank y'all so much for watching.